Wild Thing is a very interesting pose. The Sanskrit name is Camatkarasana, and it means surprise or miracle. Or another poetic translation is the ecstatic unfolding of that enraptured heart. So it's pretty amazing. I'm going to demonstrate 3 levels of the Wild Thing. We'll begin with an beginner's level, then an intermediate level, and then a more advanced level. This is Yoga Sensei of Kuthuta Yoga, and I'm really excited to show you this new favorite pose of mine. So starting with the beginner's pose, I'm sitting cross-legged here, just easy pose, Sukhasana. Just extend the right leg out, more or less like parallel to the back edge of the mat, and sit like in head to knee pose with the left foot in between the thighs. Then take the left hand about a foot away from the butt outwards, and just inhale the shoulder towards the ear, and exhale, take it back. And inhale, rotate the arm, the left arm outwards, and exhale, straighten. And then inhale, lift the hips, ground the foot, and exhale, lift onto the knee, tucking up the foot is flexed. Inhale, lift the chest, lift, push the hips forward, lift the chest, and reach the arm all the way back. And I can feel lovely opening in the front of the hips, opening in the chest and the sides of my body, and gently come all the way down. And I'm just going to show that again on the other side. So foot, left foot along the back edge of the mat, right foot in between, right hand, hand away. Inhale the shoulder blade in, exhale it back. Inhale, rotate the arm outwards, exhale, straighten without locking. Inhale, lift the left arm parallel, and exhale, lift up, grounding the foot. And inhale, tucking up, checking the mat, foot is on the mat. Inhale, push the hips forward. Exhale, lift the chest and reach the arm. So getting a deep stretch in front of the hips, the chest, and relax and come down. Now for the intermediate level. It's good to do the beginner's level if you have issues with your wrist or rotator cuff muscles. You could even try it with the elbow down, but if they're serious, it's probably good to give this pose a miss if you have severe rotator cuff injuries or carpal tunnel syndrome. So for the intermediate version of the Wild Thing, again sitting on both sit bones, right leg straight up, lift the left leg up so that the left foot is by the right knee and the left hand behind, about a hand away. Inhale, lift the shoulder in towards the ear, exhale, push it back. Inhale, rotate the arm outwards, exhale, push the fingers in, straighten. Inhale, lift the right arm up, exhale, lift up, ground the foot. Inhale, lift the hips, come onto the ball of the foot, left foot, exhale, lift chin, and reach all the way back, and relax and come down. So the intermediate version on the other side. Now it's the left foot aligned, and bring up the right ankle to be close to the left knee. Right hand behind, aligned, and inhale, lift the shoulder up and exhale it back. Inhale, rotate the arm, right arm outwards, exhale, push palms in. Inhale, lift the left arm, shoulder height, exhale, ground the foot, and come up. Inhale, lift the hips, exhale, lift the chest onto the ball of the foot, and reach all the way back. And relax quite hard on the wrist. So maybe shake out the wrist, and remember always to do this pose after being thoroughly warmed up. It's not a pose. This is what we would be doing as a key focal pose in class. And Kuthuta Yoga has a routine where we're doing that as the focus pose. So we build up to it. Now for the full, almost the full wild thing, we start in side plank for Kuthuta, coming up and lifting the leg and placing it back. Here, just behind the knee, pointing the foot, and lift. Inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, drop the head back, lift the chest. So it's about bending, arching the back, lifting hips, lifting chest, and reaching all the way back. And relax and come down. Woo! It's pretty hectic, the full version. Onto the left side. So notice that I'm on the front of the mat for this one. The hand is a little bit extended beyond the shoulder. Side plank, push your fingertips in, and inhale, bend the left leg, place it on the ground, point the foot, and inhale, lift the hips, lift the chest, and now extend the arm all the way back, dropping the head, and relax. Woo! That was a bit of a hard landing. To counter, we can lean forwards, inhale, lengthen up, and exhale, come all the way forwards. Inhale, hands to the heart, and